Hello student, today we are going to learn using symbols to show smaller and bigger. Okay, before going to the symbol, first we have to say which number is bigger and which smaller. Here we have given a table. In table, 3 rows. First row is numbers. We have to given a number in the first row. In second row, we have to write small numbers. In third row, we have to write bigger numbers. We now solve this. The first is 8 and 2. In 8 and 2, 2 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. We know that 2 is small number and 8 is a bigger number. In second example 77 and 59. In these two number, 59 is smaller number which we have to write in smaller number row. Okay, here we write 59 and 77 is a bigger number. This number we write here. Okay, third 39 and 9. In this number, 9 is smaller number. We have to write this number in this row 9 and 39 is a bigger number. This is a 14 and 35. Student, now you tell which number is smaller. Yes, 14 is a smaller and 35 is a bigger number. Okay, now this is the last example, 67 and 32. In this, 32 is a smaller number and 67 is bigger number. Now we write here smaller number and bigger number, but by using symbol, how to show this? Now we learn how to show the number by using symbols. Okay, see, this is a oval. In oval we draw 5 beds, 1 2 3 4 5, and this is oval. In this oval we draw 2 beds. 5 beds are bigger than 2 beds. This is a symbol of bigger than or greater than. Okay, here we write 5 is bigger than 2 and is read as 5 is bigger than 2. Okay, this is a symbol of bigger than or greater than. Now see, this is here. In this oval we draw 2 beds and in this bed we draw 1 2 3 4 5 beds. Okay, 2 beds are smaller than 5 beds and we draw symbol. This is the symbol of smaller than. 2 is smaller than 5. Okay, we write this symbolically as 2 smaller than 5 and is read as 2 is smaller than 5, or we can say that less than 5. Okay, we know that this is a symbol of bigger than, or we call this symbol is also greater than, and this is symbol of smaller than or less than. Okay, see this example here, 27. This is symbol of less than or smaller than 40. Okay, here this 27 smaller than 40 is read as 27 is less than 40. Okay, this is the next example, 97 bigger than 49. This is the symbol of bigger than or greater than. Here 91 is bigger than 49 is read as also 91 is greater than 49. Okay student, we have to know the symbols now. This is the symbol of bigger than and this is the symbol of smaller than. Now we write this symbol in this box. Okay, write correct symbol in box. Okay, first is 10 and 9. In this 10 is bigger than 9. Now which symbol we have to draw here? 10 is bigger than 9. This is symbol of bigger than. Now next 50 and 49. 50 is bigger than 49. Therefore we draw 50 is bigger than 49. Okay. Next example 500 and 499. In this example 500 bigger than 499. Therefore we draw 500 bigger than 499, or we call this symbol greater than. Next example 500 and 300. In this also 500 is bigger than 300. Now next 9 and 10. In this example 9 is smaller than 10. The symbol of smaller than is 9 is smaller than 10. Okay, next example 23 and 25. 23 is smaller than 25. We draw here the symbol smaller than. Next example 3 and 5. In this 3 is smaller than 5. We know that the symbol of smaller than or less than. The next is 73 and 75. In this example 73 is small and 75 is big. The symbol of smaller than is 73 is smaller than 75. Here last example 600 and 400. In 600 and 400, 600 is bigger than 400. Okay, we will draw the symbol 600 bigger than 400. Okay student, you know the symbols smaller than and bigger than. Now we see another example of 3-digit numbers. First going to the another example. First remember this thing. 3-digit number always bigger than 2-digit number. For example 275 always bigger than 29. This is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. 3-digit number always bigger than 2-digit number. Okay. Now next 2-digit number bigger than 1-digit number. Okay. 75 is always bigger than 8. 75 is 2-digit number and 8 is a 1-digit number. So 2-digit number always bigger than 1-digit number. Okay. Now see this question. Which is a bigger and which is smaller number? We know the 100, tens and unit. To recognize or to know which number is big and which number is small, we first of all see 100 place. 100 tens unit. 100 tens unit. Here in 100 plus 7 and here 5. Which is big? 7 is big than 5 in 100 place. Therefore, 721 bigger than 589. Okay, understood? To know which number is big and which number is small, first we see the 100 place, then see 10 place and then unit place. Okay, see the next example here. 423, 723 in 100 place here is 4, in 10 place 2 and unit place 3. Here in 100 place 7, 10 place 2 and unit place 3. Here tens and unit place are same but 100 place are different. Here is 4 and here is 7. In this 7 is big and 4 is small in 100 place. Okay, therefore 723 smaller than 723. Okay, sorry, 423 smaller than 723. Okay, understood? Now third example, 600 and 497. In this example, 600 bigger than 497. Okay, see the next question. Put the right symbol, smaller than, bigger than, between the numbers in each pair. Here we have given a number of pairs and we have to write these symbols. Okay, first example, 427 and 267. In these two number of pairs, 427 is bigger than 267. Next example, 150 and 501. In this example, 150 smaller than 501. Okay. Third example, 813 and 79. 813 is 3-digit number and 79 is 2-digit number. 3-digit number is always bigger than 2-digit number. Therefore, we write here 813 is bigger than 79. Next example, 300 and 624. 300 is smaller than 624. Okay, all of you understand these examples? We go to the next example, 720 and 718. Here hundreds place is same. In tens place we see now, in tens and unit place here is 20 and here is 18. 20 is always big than 18. Okay, therefore 720 bigger than 718. Okay, the next example, 749 812. We easily know that 812 is big and 495 is small. Therefore, we write symbol 495 smaller than 812. Now next example, 625 and 325. Here tens and unit places both are same but 100 place here is 6 and here is 2. 6 is bigger than 3. Therefore 625 is bigger than 325. Now next example, here 820, 824. In this example, 8 is at 100 place. Here is also 8 at 100 place. Then which number is big? Tell anyone. Yes, 824 is big and 820 is small. Therefore, 820 is smaller than 824. Okay. Thank you.